Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2022 Peugeot 3008 GT. This car comes with the 1.5 turbo diesel engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 129 brake horsepower and returning up to 57 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 22, and this is a one-owner vehicle, having covered just over 49,000 miles and comes with full service history from Peugeot. The metallic grey paintwork looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you have a nice clean interior. The seats there are half leather. There's a big armrest and two cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers as well. And then off the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth for your phone. A few other features I can mention: the car also has climate control, automatic headlights and wipers, and then on the driver's door card you then have your electric mirror and full window controls. Being an SUV, the 3008 has a nice raised driving position, lots of legroom and headroom in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers also have their own air vents, as well as a couple of charging ports there in the centre as well. Opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot, goes back a long way, with the rear seats that can be folded flat and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you've also got some extra storage and also your tire inflator kit there at the back, and the boot floor can also be lowered to increase the volume as well if you wish. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, front and rear parking sensors, the 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128 point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or if you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.